Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials so you can act fast. Open the project, confirm the project calendar and workweek, and create resource records with role, cost rate, and max units. Once done, add resources to the EPS or WBS so they exist at the right level. Then assign those resources to the first activities using the Assign Resources dialog. This links work effort to people and equipment. Make sure units reflect availability. Setting 100% means full-time. Now you focus on the detailed allocation that drives schedules. Select activities and assign resources with the correct units and remaining duration so P6 calculates work accurately. Use percent units for people and quantity per time for crews or materials. This affects duration and cost. Apply resource curves where effort varies, and ensure each resource uses the proper calendar and cost rate so the system shows realistic loading. Once assignments are in place, review the resource usage spreadsheet to validate distribution and totals. Finish by stabilizing the schedule. Create a baseline, then run resource leveling with appropriate priorities, float limits, and the selected date range so P6 smooths peaks. After leveling, generate resource histograms and reports for stakeholders to confirm capacity and cost. If you still see overallocations, verify each resource calendar, max units, and activity constraints. These are the usual culprits. As a troubleshooting tip, if leveling fails, reduce max units or relax constraints, and rerun leveling until allocations fit the available capacity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.